Hey, and welcome back from EasySEM. Today we're going to show you how to create a Google Ads account. So the first thing I'm going to do is head on over to my web browser and type in Google Ads. You can see I'm going to head over to the Google Ads homepage, and there's two blue buttons prompting me to start now. I'm going to click one in the upper right corner. It's going to ask me if I want to use a new Google Ads account. That's what I'm going to click on. From here, type in your business name. So we're just going to put test and click next for this tutorial. Then it's going to ask you for your website here, just to make sure that it complies with Google standards and that your actual website is a real working website. So we're going to put in easysem.co. And this is going to be the website that users will go to after they click your ad. And Google is going to give you a preview of both the mobile and desktop version of the website that you've provided, just to make sure that it's a real working website. From here, I'm going to click next, and I'm going to be introduced to 4 new main advertising goals here. If you are a more advanced advertiser, you're going to want to use expert mode. As you can see below, it says, are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. Smart mode, which we're in now currently, is good for mom and pop shops, people who don't have much experience with marketing or the time. And you can see that Google will basically walk you through and hold your hand to getting your first campaign up and running. But for the more experienced marketers that we're talking to today, we're going to switch to expert mode. And you'll see that it gives us a few more objectives to choose from, actually. It gives us more control of our campaigns. And you can see it says create a campaign without a goal guidance, even if you want to do that. And we can talk more about those in later videos. But for now, we're going to create an account without a campaign, just so you guys can see how to set up a Google Ads account entirely. So from here, it's just going to give you a couple more prompts. You just fill in, and then you click submit, and you're all done. It's literally that simple. From here, you'll be able to start your first campaign in Google Ads. As always, if you have any more questions, you can reach out to us at easysem.co. We are leaders in SaaS and happy to help. Until next time, see you soon.